Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to reverse money on Capitec app. So I will give you the step-by-step process on how you can reversing money using the Capitec app. So first one is access your Capitec account. So get started by launching the Capitec app on your smartphone or device. After making sure you have a secure internet connection, log into your account using the specified credentials. The user-friendly interface of the application will allow you to navigate easily through the required steps. Second one is go to transactions. Once logged in, tap the transactions tab, which is usually prominently displayed on the app's home screen, and this tab serves as the gateway to the various financial trading options offered by Capitec. Third step is to select the debit order option. In the transaction sections, find and tap the debit order option. This section actually contains your recent transaction history, so including details of debit orders. Now the first step is enter your remote PIN. For security reasons, you will be prompted to enter your remote PIN. This extra layer of verification ensures that only authorized people can initiate financial changes or reversals. Now the last step is select the debit order to cancel. Go through your transaction history and identify the specific debit order you want to cancel. Make sure you choose the right transaction, as canceling the wrong transaction can lead to further complications. So that's how you basically reverse your money on Capitec app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.